Alright, so here's me losing fucking money today. In the market, I was coming into the morning, I was bearish. I'll show you why. We'll just do this. Ow. Move, you fuck! Here we go. Starting off here. I guess I'll just throw this in. Dude, I shouldn't have lost today. Such a fucked up situation. But literally like same shit here. But basically London session comes up, takes Asia highs, right? We're also this is gonna get fucked. It's not gonna look good, but we can check the 4 hour. We're inside a 4 hour gap right here. So Asia, London, boom, sweep, distribute to the downside, as you can see. So I'm expecting us to, continue to sell off towards previous day low. So I was bearish because I was expecting it to be a New York continuation. Only issue here is right here, this SMT that was put in. Asia low was taken on NQ. It's a low inside this hourly gap. Was not taken on ES. If we want to show it here, as you can see, wasn't taken on ES, SMT, and we just bull run. So essentially, I waited for 10 a.m. Like, obviously, like I kind of didn't really show much shit off of open, but you can see we just pump. So I'm like, all right, well, once we take like London and shit, I'm like, all right, honestly, I'll just wait for 10 a.m. See what we do. If we can open high, maybe we can get a short. If we can open low, maybe we can get a long, targeting the high inside that 4 hour or whatever, or if we were able to inverse the 4 hour, which we weren't at the time. But boom, 10 a.m. opens low. We're already inside like a 5 minute gap, but yes, right here has this 15 minute gap. We'll see it get hit right here. So 10 a.m. boom, open low into the 15 minute gap. So I'm just waiting for NQ to make a fucking 1 minute fair value gap for us to, or any time frame between 1 to 5 minute for us to inverse. So boom, we do that. Honestly, I probably we have okay. So we have the SMT here. We have the fucking SMT, right? So I'm like, cool. I think I probably should have waited for this low to get taken or something, but I don't know. To me, this looked like a great setup. LRL, 10 a.m. open, low, high close, just accumulation, manipulation, SMT, and then I'm expecting us to distribute now once we inverse this. Boom, we inverse with, clean displacement. So I enter here. We're getting in profit, chopping around for a second, and then boom, this shit happens. ES comes in, takes out this low. So now we have even bigger SMT at this point. We have SMT with this low. Internally, and we hit this 5 minutes. So I'm like, all right, cool, perfect. Now hopefully we can just pull back up, right? They also now touched equilibrium. If we want to see this, they finally hit equilibrium of this range. So I'm like, all right, perfect. Now just fucking bull run, please. And nope. Fuck you. I was like, all right, we got to inverse this 1 minute. Nope, fuck you. Takes out this low, hits the 15 minute, and then yeah. Very, 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 very fucking unfortunate. But at least I was, I guess, kind of right about what I wanted to see happen. But yeah, they also put in this 5 minute, like, once they put that in, that was gonna be my break even point. But we stopped out before I was able to, you know, use that. And I also would have closed if we had the SMT at this high, because there already is this SMT with this high. So yeah, that's about it. I had TP1 here, TP2 here, 2 micros, risking this. So I guess I kind of like hit my daily loss limit. It's a tight daily loss limit. It's meant for me to only have one trade in a day. So especially with the government being shut down, I have a tight ass daily loss limit. So yeah. But also in other news, after this happened, I was like, fuck it, I have an eval. You know, we kind of just generate these highs, right? Boom. So I have a limit order sitting right here, and I think I have it on recording of it. But I have a limit order here above this high. I didn't put it at this high because I want it to, like, you know, obviously if it's gonna fucking manipulate and then we're gonna get an inversion down to like distribute lower, it's obviously going to fucking come up past this, like, you know. So how many points higher? 6.75. But yeah, no, I threw a fucking limit order there. This is like retarded, like, you shouldn't do this, but threw a limit order there for 2.5 contracts, or 2 contracts. Boom, past the eval. Holy fucking top tick. That was fucking insane. And here, I have a recording. I will get it. I'm pretty sure I'll like have it. I'll get it and put it in. So you know it's fucking proof. That is insane. That is fucking insane. I've never, like, ever fucking literally top tick. This is like highlight reel shit. It's not anything to like really be like to flex, but I mean, like technically, like, this is fucking stupid unless it's your strategy. It's not my strategy, but I have a fucking eval, and it's a fucking easy ass way to pass it. Just like you pass or you fail, really, kind of thing. And you know, boom, we pass, and I kind of like bottom ticked as well in a way, because boom, would have been liquidated, or actually no, I wouldn't have been, but whatever. Regardless, past that shit, I will add that in just for your entertainment. Lost on the day. It's a like kind of like a break even day. Lost on this account. Fucking past this shit. So now I have 2 accounts. I have a live account and I have a funded. So yeah. Now we have 2 accounts. Yeah. So we'll see what the fuck goes down with this. But I'll add this in. I think it's fucking insane.